Morning and welcome back to GT Garage. Just doing another little short update of the mini caravan slash camper. Working on the have been working on the paneling the last few days, just finishing up the welding, because once the paneling's on, obviously can't do the welding because you'll melt stuff. So I've actually dummied up and trimmed a panel this side now, and just working on the hatch just to make sure we do all the welding that needs to be done. Now this hatch is operational now. I've put on the center flex hinge. It's not completely screwed in, just use Tech screws to get it there. It swings open and shut perfectly. These struts took a little bit of working out, but I got it. Basically I saved them from my old trailer. My old trailer had a really heavy hard lid on it, and pulled the hard lid off, and it had these really strong struts on it. Now one of these struts hold this door up properly. I've got two, so the first half of closing it is a bit of hard work, but what I'm going to do is I'll probably, once I've got the paneling on there, probably add another, at a guess, 10 kilos, and we'll give it a bit of weight. It's just the first little bit from where it is right now to about halfway down. Once you've got some leverage happening, shuts beautifully. Now I've never welded on struts before, so I had to work out the closed and the open heights, or the length, sorry, to be able to work out where I need to weld the tabs, and what pretty much got it spot on first time. 500 is the closed length, so I just made sure when this door was closed that the bolt to bolt length was no less than 500, and then here we go, it's all done. I reckon, well, not done, sorry, it's just tacked in there. See if we can shut it. So it's quite got a bit of weight, or a bit of resistance to it in the first little bit, but once we get shut, there we go. I don't know if I move the position, I'd get more leverage to open and close it or something, but this is okay. It's got a bit of resistance there, but I think we'll be okay. Anyway, short update for now. Hopefully we get some paneling on by the next video. Like, subscribe.